Welcome to the Ubuntu Linux course, where you will learn to use the Ubuntu operating system. My name is Mustafa. I will be leading you through the course. I began my career as a network and computer systems administrator, and it is still my current job. I have more than 9 years of Ubuntu operating system experience. I designed this course for anyone seeking to learn the Ubuntu operating system with less effort and in a short time. By the end of the course, you will be able to use and manage the Ubuntu operating system professionally. I will be teaching you the Ubuntu operating system history, downloading and installing Ubuntu operating system using VirtualBox, starting basics, Ubuntu file system, managing processes, Ubuntu virtual terminals, Ubuntu administration, and others. This will predictably give you good results in 5 days or less. This content is great for learning Ubuntu from scratch. Not only I will be covering the details, but I will also practice with you using real-life examples. I will walk with you through the entire process step by step. The ideal student for this course is a newbie Ubuntu user who wants to learn how to run and manage the Ubuntu operating system professionally, or maybe a current user who wants to increase his knowledge. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask you to come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to take a look at the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside.